Hi there and welcome to IPS Chat once again. I'm Sam.
And I'm Andy, and in this video we're going to go through another one of our recent jobs.
Right, so as usual the customer wanted to update a tired old bathroom. This apartment was an electric only supply, so let's have a look at some of these pictures.
Yep. So what did you think of that then?
It needed doing.
It did. So as you can see, our old shower unit, the shower curtain, the radiator were well past the best. Plus the shower curtain is a showering disaster really. I mean, you don't want to fight your way through one of them every day, especially when the cold bit touches your back.
No way. So the whole room was stripped out. We repositioned the bath and fitted a nice Carron Delta Bath with a Mira electric shower. And then at the side, well, going on the side of the bath, instead of the curtain, we've got a nice curved edge bath screen.
Yeah, also the basin was repositioned and the vanity unit and the basin fitted to provide some extra storage. The ugly old radiator was replaced with a nice new electric Redroom Heated Towel Rail. Just finish it off really.
Yeah, it looked nice. I tell you what, personally I love the wall tiles and the flooring.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the large format Chelsea wall tiles contrasted with a nice mosaic border. We used Karndean flooring and a pale lime door, nice and warm under the foot, rather than the cold feel you get off floor tiles sometimes. Yeah. The colours all complement each other and they give a warm feel to the room.
Yeah, and last of all we replaced the old-fashioned light fitting with nice energy efficient LED downlights, and you can't go wrong with those.
No.
So all in all, a job well done, I think.
Yeah, we thought so. Customer absolutely loved it.
How can you go wrong? So that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it useful.
Yeah, thanks for watching and look out for our next video on the YPS chat.
See you around.
See ya.